I'm starting by brushing my hair. Separate my hair evenly on both sides. Section of 2 tiny pieces to frame the face. Grab a small section of hair right next to the middle hairline and start braiding it. I like to do simple braids because basically that's the only kind of braid I know how to do. Now move the rest of the unbraided hair out of the way. Tie the 2 strands of braided hair together and there you go. This second one is similar with the last one, except we are going to add some accessories to give your hair more color. Again, I start by brushing my hair, and then separate the rest of your hair evenly on both sides. I like to start tying the hair right below the ears so it would make my face look slimmer. For this style, I like to use different color hair tie for a more fun look. My elastic band's color isn't as vibrant so you can't see them clearly, but in reality it looks pretty colorful. Loosening up the hair, and done. Tie up your hair in a pony. Pulling up the top section of hair so it's looser and softer. Now pull the ponytail forward in front of the face. Then divide the pony in half with the bottom section divided in two and wrap around the remaining hair and tie them with a mini elastic band. I like to use black ones so it would blend seamlessly with my hair, and keep doing it to the rest of the hair. Now loosening up the hair, and that's it. I want to make it more girly and cuter, so I have some flower and heart accessory clippers. I'm gonna clip them randomly on my hair. Again, now 2 framing hair strands, and grab a small section, tie them with elastic band, and twist outside in. Grab 2 small sections under it and wrap it around, tie them together, and keep doing it for 3 to 4 times, then start braiding. Loosen the hair. I feel like people goes for dark shade clothing during winter. I believe everybody color scheme contributes a lot to my seasonal depression. So when everybody wear black, I'm a big colorful baby. And using these colorful hair bits, clip them to the hair. Separate the hair into 2 sections. This time part your hair on the side, then grab 2 pieces of hair and start twisting them. After you twist them, pull another piece of hair. You do that until the twist reaches below your ears. Then you divide them into 3 sections and braid them as you normally do. Choose a colorful elastic band, then do this to another side, and that's it. So this is really easy. Just section your hair in the middle and then start buttoning up. Then add some colorful accessories. Here I have a pearl hair tie and butterflies and flowers to make it more lively. But you can do and choose whatever you wish. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video and all the animation because I spent a heck of time to edit. And if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like me, you can connect with me on my social media, which will be linked in the description box down below. And I'll see you next week. Bye!